crossing Forest Road 267, which is the end of the third segment of the Collegiate West route and the start of the fourth segment. This video is going to be a bit interesting because we're doing the first 8 miles of that segment today, because that's where we parked the car. Tell me about your problems.
Can't fart or I might shit.
What did we forget to pack?
Wet wipes.
So what are you doing?
Probably your dog in it.
So like the second we made it to the top of the pass, the hail stops for a second and you just hear thunder. And we're like, okay, of course. So we start kind of running to get down a bit and it just starts pouring down rain and hail. So we kept running. But now we're kind of lower enough where we're not too worried. But we can't catch a break.
So it was a train with a snowplow on it.
Oh, so we were both right.
Yeah.
Cool. What's the date?
I don't know.
29th, I'm guessing. It's 5 p.m. and we have made it to the Hancock Trailhead. So we've done our 24 miles. I'm gonna get to work tomorrow. I'm gonna be tired, but I'm gonna get to work tomorrow. And there's my car. Oh, I've never been so happy to see my car. Move your finger. Bird facts. What is it?
It's a bald eagle.
Bald eagle. That's so cool. We're back at the Hancock parking lot trailhead to finish segment 4. This is Hancock Lake. So it looks like we're at the Boss Lake Trailhead, which is the end of segment 4. There's nothing really that shows it's a trailhead. There's just a dirt road through the woods. No trailhead mark or anything.